Mami Ekuadonko eden sembi atudwa. Uyo bi a wota follow me medie me say about we. My madwen se mento na se meto pa. Ida se meto ama Ekuadonko ana se meto ama Sofochi abosom. MPP ni NDC de omo form ho nko. Se ene your first time we have subscribe na click the notification bell no so you know say latest news be about one sa ebeka. Mami Ekuadonko den sembi aba betudwa na me pese ye tena se na asem ne ye hwe bebia me kreda ne ye de to. Nsem a wo ka no wo bi beka se asem ne kre ewom. De wo ka ne tentini ne tietie mu ane se wono Ekuadonko ye nya ye nim se mra na John Dramani Mahama enya nansen a mra na John Dramani Mahama wono Ekuadonko ana John Dramani Mahama president no na to so bi beka se wono Ekuadonko ana na enam na wo se wono Mahama ye neba na wachi na tenase atunefo se Mahama 2020 elections no menko oku a wo belusu nanso Mahama so adin amenda ye ne okase was standing se 2020 election no be ko be bisa se na Ekuadonko adan na wo be kasa atre Mahama se 2020 election mo nko. Why will you say something like that? Insem nini was se wono Ekuadonko wonim kra no wonim se Mahama one was share from the grassroots. Just a wabedane assemblyman, and a wabedane MP, and a wabedane deputy minister, and a wabedane minister, and a wabedane vice president, and a wabedane president. It ye can Ghana will be a political rank and file. What move from grassroots to the top? A Mahama, a DMBum and a wope. What the name president? We ye the obey was in the credit. One can no boa ene woni Mahama enye free ba wono de obeka ne kre Mahama boejuma o share hospitals o share circle Dubai o share schools a wo sisi ya ono de obeka ne kre Mahama boejuma papa na nini nechi still ulusu ye with over 1 million votes. So what message does it send to you? It sends a message to you say ejuma waye ni na echi still Ghana for MPEL into kope baby tina into ya dan na Mahama esan so babiom we to the foa Mahama ntie we to the foa Mahama ntie na eno de ebi say Ekuadonko say iti edien wa twemu no edien ena ufi say emma Mahama elusu ye o say simple simple NDC for ti say ama beyiwa do any Kofi Adams NDC executives penyimfo na hihye tre ese Mahama din na womukro mukroma na omukoka se Mahama na ekun Watermills enu hunti ne tutia Mahama no ye say man ye Ekuadonko and na obeka say NDC executive time name say your friend say Kofi Adams, I think he was the chairman of Sedain, and I say the secretary of Sedain. No, secretary near General Mosquito. Kofi Adams name so no na here either chairman or organizer. You see, NDC pennyfo be say would the assembly year two almost say womu no Mahama Lucy because womu ko mukrom ko campaigner no mo catch from for no say Mahama lekun Watermills. Ekuadonko ade na wo kasa no say about the entire workers na assembly say with the NDC fuechi for a very long time. When him say NDC Busha Rollins and what say NDC will be him say no. Na NDC for no you will groups. Kofi Adams actually belongs to Rollins ni group. Kofi Adams any ama benyuado they belong to Rollins ni group. Na wo pia wo ye ni papenyi ana wo di NDC fuechi for a very long time no. If I couldn't him say Rollins na nya dia wo pe Mahama asem. Rollins ni Mahama wo monka. Na enu no so won ti ase ka na se mo be kaya last year. Embra ensensem baaye Mahama eni otumfo se tutu nsensem bia otumfo se tutu koka nsem bi wo UN we ase Mahama nso ye beka se wo bia wo di Mahama chi Julius Debra chief of staff and Mahama den sembe tu dwa se ase di otumfo koka ne ye ntro no mo kai sa asem no otumfo PRO e ba bonte beka se wo Mahama wutina ho ehwe Emma Julius Debra eka se otumfo otwa ntro na so wo Mahama kai se embra Watermills eye se wo be fa running mate no Rollins can tam say one penny that because on pewasem eyotumfo no na obemu e na woni Rollins be kasaye ansana bibia etofom nti wo Mahama bibia ni a kai say Rollins kai say otumfo aye bia ma nti from then no at least Ghana for be hu say na Rollins kra no woni Mahama enka na won pese Mahama be ba bedane eye Atamils vice president munti asem ni ye nti manu e pia donko de wo kan ene say eye ne ka Rollins pa de woni Mahama enka nti Kofi Adams wo mu ye adwuma ma Rollins na wo mo say Mahama din nti na Mahama wo lusu ye nkofo a wo mo say wudin no still and yes wo mu ewu na bibio they are still in the NDC. So why is Mahama wasting his time to contest again? If I don't na sem no na sem no wo no de wo se insense bi esisi ye wo de tutututu ho insense bi esi ye a wo hwa eno ho nti ema Mahama lusu ye no ensem no eda ho o ya ade o ye adwuma o bomoden ema Ghana ni na echi Ghana fo se dabi ye mpel ko Womo NDC mo say wudin no ene say womo nkasa ma NDC sia still they still speak for NDC. So why do you want to come again? Those people are still there. Still are ene say Rollins ebiasi sia wa bepe wasem. Still are won pe wasem. Eno ni asem make don call count. Still are Rollins in pe wasem. Unso se wo ko. Aside that no, wo ke dey kan wo ji wo wiase mu. Politics why ye bibia? Why ye bibia from assemblyman? From the lowest point to the highest point, we drew ho. Nanka ebia, one dane president da, and Uncle Betty as I say, oh, I was say what dane president to crown your victory and now to crown your achievement in life. But why you be president no way did that? Janu will be full from kwe. And only as America don't call all can. Now to be fair, and now to be frank, make one secret at Tremo. Me. Embra me te say John Dramani Mahama besan so stand biom for NDC no me ka say oh ho NDC for munsuo iti mu ni obia say Mahama biom na modern neighbor mo pese mu lusu ana. Exactly, that's what I said, because I believed strongly say no, there was no way Mahama was going to win. Now say me say na ya meka na NDC for aba be frame me number no mu di matem di matem last 3 days. Me kwa kan say 2020 elections no go be any say MPP na be wini ana me ka say MPP na be wini no NDC for be frame me ekeka mo adwen tre me ebi mo na me kasa aku say dey ntia na me kasa e ma me send your voice note ebi sorry asem ne kra tra me ebi mo me send your voice note ebi mo so me send your text e tre wo mo say oh say ni ntia na me kasa ama eno kra wo mo te ase baby mo de wo mo de di atem na bae say hey makojiske fi MPP for ho inta na meka se Mahama won win no aden na meka yesa wo mo ntie me news biom wo mo betrete me say wo mo ntie me news biom say maka me de me feel say Mahama be lusu no, but me I am not perturbed. Sa nete on this channel I have read a lot of messages at Tremo maka se metia MPP for so eba bonte frame me say me NDC ni edi matem. Just last 2 days I read some for you. MPP for no mu di matem. I'm say me NDC ni wo mo so wo mu ntie me biom. It is here me kasa efa NDC ho a obo say MPP for aba be di matem. Me kasa fa MPP ho a na me kasa fa NDC ho a MPP for so beba. Tre say san krofo tu we na me say sa two political parties no me nto aba mo obiano. Me to am obi am nim so wini am hu so wini me nkoto ma NDC na chese we me to am ekiadonko maka eno kra obi nya asem enano me kan se me to am ekiadonko no obi babontin be di matem se me nya serious in life ada na me to aban me ekiadonko chese mo de obi be ye bia mo be kasa wo obi kasa mo so support MPP wo kasa mo so support NDC ekiadonko so am se me to am no wo se me nya serious in life. Dia wo pe na mepe dia wo pe na mepe nti no etwa don konsem a wo de atodwa ne dia me dia meka ne kra trel meka ne kra na tremo se Mahama stand pan dia. I said no na ka wo se Mahama wo pene ema obi foforo ba show so sitting president wo ma ye ku we mu ase over 1 million votes na ka be ka se da bi we dia na me ma ho kwan no obi mbra na so Mahama se hwe dabi wono a nti twa donko the work can say wo hwa enimonyama Mahama nya nia se wo stand bi ma na trese wo pepa na wono twa donko the work can say 2020 Mahama wo be lusu nti me ha wo ho Monche mo adwo comment box mo tie for devoid of insults me da say